sequence having the same common difference. Say I have a with the number of terms t1, t2, t so on.
Hmm.
How is considered to be AP if it has same common difference? That means if I move from T1 to T2 or T2 to T3, T3 to T4, I need to have the same difference. For example, let me talk about a sequence, say 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 10.
Hmm.
So if you see the common difference between 1 and 2, it is 1,
One.
2 and 3,
One.
1. Similarly, if it would be 4, you will be saying the common difference is same. So any sequence, if the common difference is same, then we say the sequence to be arithmetic progression. Now, if we see the observation, what we will be getting? T2 minus T1 is equals to common difference. Similarly, T3 minus T2 is equals to common difference. So it implies T2 equals to T1 plus T, T3 equals to T2 plus T. But what is T2? T2 is
T1 plus D.
plus D. So it will be T1 plus 2D. This is T3. Similarly, if I write T4 minus T3, that will be also equals to D. So what is T4
T
and what is T3?
T3 plus 3D.
So T1 plus 2D plus T, that is equals to T1 plus 3D. So as you observe, if it is 2, it is 1. If it is 3, it is 2. If it is 4, it is 3. In general, if it is n, T1 plus n minus 1 into D. So
Mm-hmm.
this is how we find any nth term of an arithmetic progression. So if I say T1 as A, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term, n is which term
Number
you
of
want to know, and D is D
difference.
implies common difference. So if you know these three things, you can find anything in related to Tn term. That means the three terms are the major. Moving on, after this, what you need to know is you need to find sum of the n terms. So how I'll be finding sum of the n terms? That means say the
And then
sequence is T1, T2, T3, T3, T4, and up to so on up to Tn. And what is sum implies? Sum implies I need to add all this. So if I add T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 and up to Tn, that means what is T1? Say the first term is A, T2 is A plus D, T3 is A plus 2D, and what is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. So how many terms are total? N terms. So how
two.
many times A is been repeated? N times. So Na plus A plus A plus A plus, like after if I take common D, what will be left with? 1 plus 2 and so on up to n minus 1. If you simplify for it, that is again the simplification is in class 11. Just now the formula you can recall is at n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is Sn. If Sn is this much, then what you can do again? Sn is equals to, I will split 2A as A plus A. What is A plus n minus 1 into D? It is Tn.
Tn.
So n by 2 A plus Tn. This is my Sn. And one more important note which I have explained before is Sn minus 1 is nothing but equals to Tn.
Tn.
What is y? Say sum of three terms. I have 1 and 2 and 3. Sum of two terms. If I write n minus 1 means if n is 3, n minus 1 will be 2. So 1
Two.
plus 2. This is Sn. This is n minus 1. Now subtract, what we'll get? Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equals to 1 and 1 got cancelled, 2 and 2 got cancelled, remaining is 3. So 3 is nothing but our last term. So this is equals to Tn. So this is the basic concept in arithmetic progression.
Progression.
So let us start with some examples. See, the question is find the ninth term from end. First, the sequence is given as AP. AP means common difference is same. Can you check? 9 minus 5, 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. till 185. Find the ninth term from the end. That means from 185 you need to find. If I am going from right to left, on going left to right, there is a common difference 4. If I go from right to left, my common difference will be equals to opposite, that is minus 4. And the first term would be from going last to first, the first term would be 185. Now I need to find the ninth term. So T9 is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. Say this is T9, let it be A plus n minus 1 into D. Our A is 185. Ninth term, 9 minus 1 is 8 and common difference is minus 4. So I'll be left with 185 minus 32. So answer is nothing but 153. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next question. First and foremost, what do you mean by consecutive terms?
One after another. What, like 1, 2, 3?
Suppose example 1, 2, 3. So let this be T1, that is equals to k plus 9. T2 is equals to 2k minus 1 and T3 is equals to 2k plus 7. As you know, if the sequence need to be AP, that means common difference need to be same. So what you will do is T2 minus T1, you will say it's equals to T3 minus T2. Just substitute the value now. What is T2?
2k minus 1.
What is T1?
T1k plus 9.
What about T3?
T3 2k plus 7.
What is 2k? Yes, sir, T2? 2k minus.
2k minus.
So if you simplify, let us see what we get. 2k minus 1 minus k minus into plus minus minus 2k and plus 1. 2k and 2k, it got cancelled. 2k minus k is k minus 10 equals to 8. So what is the value of k? K equals to
18.
Now, after getting the value, just verify your answer whether you have done right or wrong. So what I will do is, I'll just substitute the value of 18 and we'll check if all the common difference are same or not. So as you can see, 18 plus 9 is 27, 18 to the 36 minus 1 is 35, and 18 to the 36 plus 7. What is 36 plus 7? 43. Now just see if the common difference is 18 or not. If you see it's same, it is the concept is same. Consecutive terms. What is the solution? Let me check. 5k minus 1 minus 3k minus 3. So 3k minus 2k is k plus 2, 2k minus 4. So k implies 6. 2k minus k equals 6. 6 to the 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 21. 6 5 is 30, 29. Check the common difference, 8, 13, 8. So this is right. So k equals to 6. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes.
This is of like 2 marks. So same approach, what we will do is, first the question is how many terms, that means n is been asked, right? Be taken so that the sum is 0, that is Sn is equals to 0. For Sn, what is the formula? First, Sn is equals to n by 2.
N by 2 bracket 2n plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay, is the formula. You know A? Yeah, A is 18. Do you know about common difference? Which is 16 minus 18, that is equals to minus 2. So n I need to find. So let n be as it is. Sn is 0. 2 into 18, 36.
36.
And I don't know. And common difference is minus 2. Now, see, either you will say this implies what? 2 into 0 is 0. And times 36 minus 2n plus 2. And 36 plus 2 is?
38 minus 2n.
You will say either n is equals to 0 or 2n is equals to 38, n is equals to 19. Now, n is equals to 0, can you say? Because you are seeing the terms over here. So n is equals to 0 is not a solution. So answer is n is equals to, how many terms are there? 19 terms. Is it clear?
Yes.
Same type of problem you can practice over here. Question number 5, you try. Let me know the answer. Question number 5, question number 6. All these 3, 4, 5, 6 are of same kind.
So 7th कैसे होगा?
7. Just see the weakness of the question. Okay, if the fourth term of an AP is 0, so I will be writing T4 equals to 0. What is T4 in AP implies? A plus 3D. Say this is equation 1. Moving on, prove that the 25th term of an AP T25 is 3 times its 11th term. So what is T25? It is A plus 24D. What is T11? A plus 10D. Is it clear? So
Yes.
what you can do is you need to prove this. So I will go with my LHS. If I see my LHS, prove that the 25th term is 3 times its 11th term. So 11th term is this much. So what is 24D? A plus 24D, you can split LHS as A plus 3D plus 21D. Can I write it like this? As
Yes.
we already know, A plus 3D is equals to 0. So this is 0. This is from equation 1. So LHS is nothing but 21 times D. Moving on to RHS. What is RHS equals to? 3
A
times
plus
A
N.
plus 10D. Again 10D also I will split it as
3
3D
plus
plus 7D. Again, what is A plus 3D? It is equals to 0 from equation 1. So I will be left with 3 into 7D. What is 3 into 7? 21D.
21D.
Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hope it's clear.
Yes.
If you want, you can note it down. Question number 8. The question is ratio of the sum. It's the question is not 2, it is m square. That is Sm upon Sn is equals to m square divided by n square. And you need to prove the mth term is Tm divided by Tn is equals to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. You need to prove this. If Sm is to Sn is this much, you need to prove Tm by Tn is equals to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Try it once and we will discuss. Anyway, so what you can do is see, Sm by Sn. This question is important. It was not expected to be attempted in the first time, but let's see. Sm by Sn is equals to m square by n square. So just write the formula for Sn. What is Sn? Number of terms m divided by 2,
2
2a plus
plus
m minus
N
1
minus.
into common difference t divided by Sn. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference is equals to m square by n square. Is it clear? So 2 and
Yes.
2 gets cancelled. As you know, m by m is also not equals to 0, n is also not equals to 0 because the terms cannot be 0. So I can, this is nothing but this is m by n. So what I will do is m and square I will cancel and n square I will be cancelling. So I will be left with 2a plus m minus 1 into common difference divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference is nothing but m by n. Now just do crisscross multiplication. What you will be left with? 2an plus mdn minus nd is equals to 2am plus mnd minus md. So this and this is cancelled. What I will be left with? 2a common
2.
minus m is equals to d common n minus m. Again, as n, either this implies n is equals to m or 2a equals to d. So what I will do is a equals to d by 2 I will apply over here. If I substitute a equals to d by 2, let's see what will be our solution. So what I need to prove is RHS Tm by Tn. So let me take it as LHS as Tm by Tn. So what is the form? Mth term a plus m minus 1 into common difference. Similarly, plus n minus 1 into common difference. Now a plus m minus 1 d as 2a divided by a plus n minus 1 into d as 2a. So now if I take a common, I will be left with 1 plus 2m minus 2. If I take a common, I will be left with 1 plus 2n minus 2. So a and a gets cancelled. I will be left with 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. I think I need to prove that. So this is how
Yes.
we will be approaching this kind of problem. Hope it's clear. You can note it down. In general, Sn what will be the way?
The SN to given 49 and 289.
This is for sum of first 7 terms. right? 7 times is 49. Then the
And
sum of
17.
first 17 terms, it is said 289. In general, if it is n terms, suppose if I say for one term, two terms, three terms, that you need to find. That means the answer should be in the terms of n, right?
Okay.
See, the answer, if I say, I can directly say the answer. 7 implies n square. 7 square is 49. For 17, it is 17 square 289. For Sn, it will be n square. This, if it would be an MCQ and it is an observation. Normal approach we will be solving now. First, you need to write whatever the value is given. That means for me, it's given as Sn is equals to question mark S7 is equals to 49. Just substitute the value of S7. You will write 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d is equals to 49. Right? So 7 by 2, I'll take 2 common. I'll be left with a plus 3d is equals to 49. 2 and 2 got cancelled. So I'll be left with a plus 3d is equals to
So
7.
can't we direct shift that 2 into 49?
Yeah,
Like,
it will be, but this will help you make like it will reduce the calculation step. I agree with you. So that like you can write 2a plus 60 is 49 into 2 by 7, 7 7 is 49. You will be writing 2a plus 60 is 14. That is same, but in order to reduce the simplification, I have converted into this. It's all up to you. That also you can do. Moving on to the next, S17 is equals to 289. What is S17? Apply the same approach. What you will be writing? 17 by 2, 2 into A plus 17 minus 1 is 16D is equals to 289. Again, in order to reduce here also, I will be taking 2 common. So I will be left with 2 times A plus 8D is equals to 289. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. A plus 8D equals to 17. So this is equation 2. In order to reduce these two equations, how I'll be solving? I can use any of the linear equation. As you can see, A and D. So I will be using elimination. A plus 8D equals to 17. A plus 3D is equals to 7. So if I subtract this,
A
value
plus
is D implies 2.
2.
If D is 2, any of the value you can apply either here or here, you will get A as 1. 7 minus 6, so A is 1. I substitute the value of D in this equation. Once you know A, once you know 2, D, what you will be left with? You need to find just Sn. Substitute the value of Sn. Sn is nothing but n by 2. 2a, 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 2. So n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled, n by 2 into 2n. So answer is n square. This is the way how you solve n value. So this question is important because first you need to know the formulas of Sn. After that you need to know how to solve the linear equation. So after solving the linear equation, again we need to put the formula and again we need to simplify to get the final result. So you can like mark this question as important. So if you want, you can note it down.
The digits of a positive number of 3 digits.
And like stuck somewhere, the see that the
Yeah.
digits of a positive number of 3-digit numbers. So let the
Yeah.
digit be say x, y, z. Okay. How I'll be writing it as z. This is y implies. If I need to represent any 3-digit number, how I'll be writing it as 100. This is unit place. This is tens and this is 100. So I'll be writing it as 100x plus 10y plus z. So this is how we represent a 3-digit number. Now what is digits of a positive number? That means all x and y and z should be positive because these are all positive. Are in
Yes.
AP and their sum is 15. Sum implies x plus y plus z is 15. First, you need to know that the sum of the digits is 15 and these are in AP. What does AP implies? You will be
Common
saying,
differences.
yeah, y minus x and z minus y will be same, or 2y equals to x plus z. If you need to simplify further, x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, and now in the third case, what it has given, the number obtained by reversing the digits. That means if you reverse the digit, reversing the digits means what? Z, y, x. That means 100z plus 10y plus x. If you reverse the digit, the number will be like this. The number obtained by reversing the digits is 594 less than the original number. That means what we will be writing is 100z plus 10y plus x. The number obtained is 594 less than the original number. That means original number was 100x plus 10y plus z. You need to subtract what? 594. If you subtract the original number from 594, you will get the digits in a reverse format. So this will be helping you to obtain the third equation. So how will be simplifying that now? 100 minus x is nothing but 99x. This 10y and 10y got cancelled, and you will be left with, if 100z is shifted over here, it will be again 99z, and this 594 will go in the left hand side. So the equation will be, after simplification and rearranging, we get this. Can you check 594 is the multiple of 99? I think it should be. I'll be taking 99 common, x minus z. 594 is nothing but 99 into 6. Check 99 into 6. What will be the value? 6 9 z.
So 594 is already in the right side. So how its sign is changed?
Like what I will be doing is 100x, 100, or else I'll be simplifying only. Let me take 594 to the left hand side. We will be left with 594, and remaining whatever the term, I'll be keeping in the right hand side. So what will be happening? 100x plus z minus 100z minus x. So I'll be left with 99x minus 99z is equals to 594. That implies x minus z is how much? 6. Let me try, because 99 6 is 594. 6 9 is 54, 9 6 is 54, 54 plus 5 is 594. Implies you got the equation x minus z is 6. So what I will be doing is, now as you can see, x is, if minus z plus 6 implies x is 6 plus z, x is equals to 6 plus z. I will be substituting this equation over here. Let me see what happens. 6 plus z minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. This implies what? 6 plus 2z minus 2y equals to 0. Or else 6 plus 2z, 6 plus 2z equals to 2y. Or y is what? 3 plus z. So I have y in terms of z, x in terms of z. This, both the values I'll be substituting in this case. So what I will be left with? X is 6 plus z, y is, what is y? 3 plus z, and what is z? Z is z, and the sum is equals to 15. That means I have substituted the value of x and y in equation 1. I'll be left with this. So z plus z is nothing but 3z. 15 minus 6 minus 3. What is 15 minus 9? It is 6. 3z is equals to 6. Therefore, z is equals to 2. Once you get z, what will be x? 6 plus 2. So x will be 8. And what will be y? Y is nothing but 3 plus z. So it will be 3 plus 2, 5. So my answer is in the digit form x, y, z. So answer will be 8, 5, 2. Is 852. I think the question is asked for the number itself. So the number is 852. Is it clear, or should I explain once more? See, what you have done is, first it is said the numbers are in AP and the sum is 15. I have considered the number to be in the form x, y, z. Sum of the digits implies x plus y plus z is 15. This will be my case 1. Second, it is said it is in AP. AP implies what? The common difference between y and x and z and y will be same. So I have used that. From there, I obtained equation second. And moving and reading to the last line, it has said the number obtained by reversing the digits is 594 less than the original number. That implies the digit that is formed by reversing. Reversing means xyz becomes zyx, and the representation of zyx for a 3-digit number would be 100z plus 10y plus xy. This is units place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So I have done that, and the original number would be 100x plus 10y plus z minus 594. On simplification and rearranging, I got the equation as x minus z is equals to 6 after simplification and rearranging. So if I want x in terms of z, then I'll just take z in right hand side. So x is equals to 6 plus z. Applying x is equals to 6 plus z in equation second, what we are left with? X is 6 plus z minus 2y plus z. So 6 plus 2z is equals to 2y, or what is y? Y is 3 plus z. Now what I will do is I will substitute the value of x and y in terms of z in equation 1. So x is nothing but here 6 plus z, y is nothing but here 3 plus z, and z is z itself. On solving the value, I get z as 2. Once I get the z, and then x is nothing but 6 plus z, that is 6 plus 2 8, and y is 3 plus z, that is 3 plus 2 5. My answer was x y z, so answer would be 8, 5 and 2. Either you can say x y z, or you can just substitute the value of x y z in this. You will return the number. 100 into 8 is 800, plus 10 into 5 is 50, and plus 2. So answer is 852. Hope it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.